Hey everyone, welcome back. If you enjoyed painting the tree in my last video, you're gonna love this one. Today we are gonna paint a pink oak tree using the same approach, but with a few changes to the colors and the shape of the tree. First, let's talk about the light. Just like before, we are going to imagine the sunlight coming from the top left of the tree. This will help us to create the highlights, midtones, and shadows. With the oak tree, the light will be hitting the round clusters of leaves, which gives us a lot of opportunities to play with how the light and shadows fall. Let's take a look at the colors I'm using today. We'll start with the lightest color again, and then applying the light pink where the sunlight is directly hitting the tree. The oak tree has a much rounder and fuller shape compared to the first one, with soft, fluffy clusters of leaves. So instead of a cone-like shape, think of a tree as being made up of many rounded shapes that form the canopy. Now I'm using the mid-tone pink and apply it to the areas of the tree that are partially lit by the sun. This will create a nice transition between the light and shadow. Again, back to the lightest shade. Press the bristles of your brush gently against the palette like this. This technique helps to form an organic random pattern, mimicking the way leaves might naturally group together. Now as for the shadows, use your dark pink for the shaded areas, the parts that are away from the light, especially on the underside of the clusters of leaves. This will give the tree more depth and a realistic three-dimensional look. Finally, let's paint the trunk and branches with some brown. Add a little shadow on the side opposite the light to give the trunk some depth and make it feel more solid. And that's it, your beautiful oak tree is ready, with its soft, rounded shapes and the sunlight creating beautiful contrast. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun painting tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!